Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with this update. So I have added these three tabs, Loa, Combine, and 3 days cancel tab, and formulated all of these with aligning with this one. There was some shift in the cells. I don't know how you made this file, but there is a slight difference in the formula than the actual tab. So I have made the changes, and if I have missed anyone, please do let me know so that I can fix that too. I'll review it one more time before delivering it. Okay, so here are the updates. I have given the extra cell where you can enter the file name prefix. So the file name will be starting with the xyz.org, and then it will take the tab's name so that you can identify which tab is it. Like, is it a contract, LOA combined, or 3 days cancel thing? And then it will add the date and time so that you can track the versions, but the file name will start with this one. If you want to make any changes in the file name, I'll show you at the end of this the demo, and then you can let me know, and I'll make the changes accordingly. Okay, so the file name has been added, and I have made another change at the bottom this table. So here you can enter the name numbers. Um, the rest of this will get calculated automatically. So you can call, maybe if you don't want to give this one a fixed number, I'll make it a bit gray so that you can see this will be calculated automatically. So this is what I understood from your video, that you want to fix this one to 10 sorry, you want to make a change in this one, and maybe this one. So if you can make always it, you can always make this one 5%, maybe 45, and then you can keep it to 10. And you can see the rest of the calculation for the substantial completion will be at 40%. So you can make the changes in this one. You can make this one for 10, 50, and the bottom will always be 10, I guess, but I have given you the functionality. You can always change this to 5, 10, 15, whatever you like to. And the rest of the this will be calculated um, uh, with the rest of the 100% minus the rest of these. So this is how you can manage these things. This is coming in directly from the R35, which is the project cost. And this is done. And now let me go down. Yeah, this is filling correctly. This one, and this one, all three formulated as well for to sync the data to get pull the data from this tab. Okay, there is another thing that in front of this tab, this is not working. This is not in functional. If you want to make the changes accordingly, like you want to have the number of milestone way, like there are 4 or 5, so that we can start working on it, but it will take a bit while. But to quickly resolve, I have given the this functionality for the time being. This one is working, and this one is still not functional. So you can ignore these two tables. So I have made them red so that you are not focusing on any of these. But if you want to give this information, yeah, this is fine. This is working for 10%, 15%, 25%, and this is the rest of this out of 100%. So now I'll show you, obviously the format is the same. Wherever this Excel file is lying, once you click to generate PDF, the PDF will be generated in the same folder. Let me show you the name of the folder. The name of the PDF files, those should get started with the XYZ. All right, so this is the file, which is 1.7, which you gave me with the video. And I just reopened it by placing it in a folder, and you can see currently the folder is empty. Let me take it somewhere around on the right side. Currently, we have selected 3 tabs. This is how you can select further tabs. So if you want to select the LOA and 3 days cancel, I have selected all 4 now, and I'll click this button. It should take the name of XYZ.org, and you can see all 4 are being generated. 1, 2, 3, 4 days cancel and all of these. So I'm going to delete these. Let me show you quickly. So yep, all are fine. Let me delete these. At the end, yes, you will get a pop-up that the file has been generated. I don't know, if you don't want this, I'll remove it. So for example, if you don't want to generate the PDF for LOA and 3 days cancel, we can ignore that. If you want to change the name of the um, tab, I don't know. This is how you can do that. You can simply I don't know. If you want to make any changes in here, you have to make the same change in this one as well. So please let me know if you want to change the tab name, because this can't be pulled automatically. I have to enter it manually by going into data validations. And here I need to make the change. Exactly the same tab name should be typing in here. LOA combined address. If you want to make a change in this in here, maybe address. Let me delete the combined. But I think we should keep these two so that we can distinguish between the LOA and this. So we can keep this. And if you want to make a change, please let me know. So now we have selected two tabs only, and I'm going to create the PDF again. Click OK. Okay. So now you can see two PDFs generated. So I think that is it. This is what you needed, and those are done. Please let me know if you need any further changes, as we discussed. If you want to change this format, or if you want to make the change in the tab name, I can also give you this file name prefix at the bottom as well, right at the top of the tab names selection. But I think it's good to be here because you are not going to make the changes in this frequently. So keep these at the bottom. So that is it from my side. Please let me know. Yeah, there is another thing that I have used this 1.7 file. Yeah, the version 1.7, which I just mentioned, that this is what I got from with the video folder. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.